What's good, people? I'm back again with a brand that's been on my channel many times with on-foot videos, but never an unboxing video. But now, for the first time ever, unboxing on this channel. I shouldn't have done that. Giuseppe Zanotti. These are trainers that people don't really wear much no more. So I'm kind of happy because I do like them, but I just wear them when I go out. So it says May, Lund, SC, Umo, Veronica, Amaranto, Frankie. I don't know whose cousin that is. Mad. 43, which is UK 9. And then it says GZGZ, Patent, May, Velve, Bordeaux. So we know the colour, we know what they are. Let's just get into this, man. As always, embroidered dust bag that I never use. I actually use one for my football boots when I go to football, and sometimes if I need to put random things like bits and bobs in a bag. So for example, that sounded so bad. So for example, if I'm going on a weekend away and I need to put, for example, my sunglasses, I'll put a few sunglasses cases in one of these bags and just wrap it so I know, okay, all the sunglasses are in the dust bag. Or for example, if I have toiletries or even socks or boxes, things like that, I just stick them in a dust bag, put them in so I know, okay, the socks are there, dust bag's there. You know, it kind of helps me tidy up my bag a bit. Sometimes if I do, again, go on a weekend away, sometimes I might take a dust bag for trainers, but not really. Normally I just put my trainers in a way you're not meant to. So yeah, let's not even get into that because then real sneakerheads will start punching me through the screen. Giuseppe paper, is that what we call it? Tissue paper with the Giuseppe print. To be honest, it should have a bit more Giuseppe prints. That's too much blank space there, man. And now, so these they usually do come in these bags, yes, but there's another reason why they came in this bag, is to protect the materials. So we got velvet, we got patent leather, we got a nice standard leather. This I don't like this. Look at the glue. Black sole, Giuseppe. We've got velvet all across the front, all the way up here, and then we've got a silver Giuseppe logo to match the zips. So I really like these. One reason I have not worn these is because I know if I step, this bit is gonna be ruined. So one thing, if they had these, for example, if this was a leather, no matter what material is on a Giuseppe, you wear it a few times, it's gonna crease. But this is gonna be absolutely messed up, mate. This is gonna be absolutely messed. So I don't know. I would have preferred this, but you know, that's just my preference. They do have, you know, little silver back heel tab on the bottom, which is very important. Giuseppe logo, made in Italy, 43 for the size. That's just some ways to just tell they're legit. Obviously, the most important way, or the most common way to tell they're legit, is buy them from a reputable seller. Just go Bicester Village, to be honest. I didn't get these from Bicester Village, but a friend told me that these are available at Bicester Village real cheap. So the way to wear these: grey jeans, black jeans. That's really it. Matching bomber jacket. It's all up to you, to be honest. I don't know if I'm going to wear these. Maybe. maybe once. I just don't want to ruin the suede. But yeah, tell me what you think, and on foot videos to follow. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe.